Hi, if you have gotten into a situation when your Safari browser just disappeared from your home screen and you can't find it anything, let me help you. So, today I'll show you two ways how to bring the Safari back. First one is with the help of app library. To find it, we would need to swipe to the left until you'll find the app library, which looks exactly like this. Here we would need to take a look on all of the folders until you'll find your Safari browser. And now to bring it back, we would need to hold our finger on this exact application until this menu will appear on the screen. Then as a next step, here click on this button, Add to Home Screen. So now we have successfully brought the Safari back, and if you would like to move it to any other page, simply hold your finger on this application and then just pull it to the place where you would like to locate it. Now click on this button down at the right upper corner and the Safari is back. But now if the app library didn't help you and you still cannot find the Safari app, we would need to find it with the help of Spotlight. We can open the searching menu by just simply swiping down at the middle of your screen like this, and on your screen will open this search. Let me show it to you once more. So we swipe, and here in the search bar we would need to tap Safari Word, and if you can see it right here at the tab named Top Hit, now we would need to, the same way, hold our finger on this application and then just move it down until it will appear like this on your home screen. So now we can move it between the pages and find a perfect place for this browser. Don't forget to click the done button, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.